in the scales on the good side, on the left. The devil tries to push it to the other side. Hell. Doesn't work. Michael wins. You can see the devil's belly is puddled. You can see the guts coming out of it. Can you see it? Look at it. No, the guts coming out of it.
Ang ganda talaga. Sinasabi tong mamang ito kung ano yung history tong church na to.
On the left side of the paradise, the golden gate is the entrance in the background. The smash that goes through the golden gate, this is a pope. Good pope goes to paradise, meets the head of the company. The other side, the right side of the paradise, they go to hell. There's no action. Okay, the bad ones go to hell, and again in the background, hell's fire. There is a man falling into it upside down. Can you see him naked? He has the same crown on his head as the good one in the Golden Gate. This is also a pope. It's a bad pope. And this is the message of the whole thing. It's not important who you wear, only how you live. Good ones pope, go to paradise, the bad ones go to hell. That's it.
Ganda.
The man in the middle on top of the whole thing is Jesus, who is holding the section. On his right side, for us on the left, this is Maria.
Ano tawag nito? Sinasabi niya kung ano yung history tong church na to. Where are we going? Me too. Ay, sa nagre-renovate pa silang ganda, grabe. Super. Hindi ka magsisisi na pupunta dito, mamasyal. Magastos mo man ang pera mo, pero it's worth it. Ang galing. Ganda. Ang ganda. Ang dami ding turista. Oh, wala din akong ano. Ay, mag-charge na lang tayo sa train later. Ganda ng ano. Ganda ng garden. Nasaan ba siya? Wow. Oh, ganda ng ano eh. Wow, guys. Pwede na pala tayo ng wow, guys. Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. So amazing. So amazing. Guys, worth it naman yung pagpunta namin dito. Kahit sabihin mong wow, look at that. Wow, shit. Ang ganda, guys. Wow. Guys, this is it. Super duper ganda. Guys, hindi kayo magsisi sa binayad nyo kanina. Super worth it. Super worth it. Ang ganda. Super. Iba talaga dito. Look at that. Ang galing. Ang ganda. May elevator pa baba, papuntang lake. You know, yung lift. Punta tayo, baba tayo. Yes.
Ay, naihin na si Maya.
Asan siya? Ay, ako din. Before we're going down. Ang ganda, guys. Yung binayad namin na 25. Yes, 25 ay 27.50 I think. Plus yung nagkumuha kami ng 1-day trip. Hindi ka magsisisi sa nagastos mo kasi ang ganda. Ang ganda. Worth it talaga. Tingnan mo. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Diba? Diba? Oh. Saan ka napunta?
Dito pa tayo, hindi pa lang puti ah.
Worth it naman yung binayad natin, te, di ba?
Ay talaga.
Okay.
Umpisa pa
Hindi ko pinagsisihan.
Umpisa pa lang eh.
Oh. Worth it talaga. Huwag ka na magsisi.
Oo, dahil
Oh my God.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng view.
Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, ang ganda yung kanya. May pa-istan si ate.
Nga, mataas.
Ah, 'di ba? Kuha lahat. Wow, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. Super. Punta tayo sa baba. Kahit naiihina ako, nagagandahan ako, parang nauudlot yung ihi ko eh. Sobrang lupit, guys. Sobrang lupit. Ang ganda. Asan na siya para alam ko din? Ang ganda ng mga paintings nila. Super. Super, super. Burn. Nakaihi ka na? May bayad? Ah, magsi-CR ako. Marami pa bang tao?
Hindi, maghintay-hintay ka lang.
Ang ganda dyan, Day. Nandiyan pinakapila eh.
Tentar-se normal. Dia tentar-se normal.
Ito yung ano, CR niya.
Nós vamos 7 dias. Quantos sítios?
Porque eu te torno a por aí.
Já não ia, né? Porque você para o mundo